Mr. Goat's Valentine by Eve Buntin and illustrated by Kevin Zimmer. Read aloud by Teacher Mike.
Fat Cat Books. Please subscribe and press the bell.
Mr. Goat read the headline in the Goat Times. The headline is the important news of the day. What is the headline? It says, it's Valentine's Day. That's a day when you show the person you love how much you love them. He dropped his newspaper, jumped up, got his wallet and his cell phone, and put on his bird's nest hat.
I'm off to show my first love how much she means to me,
he told his cat, Beatrice. Meow, Beatrice said and yawned. Who is Mr. Goat's first love? On the way, Mr. Goat passed Miss Nanny Goat's weed stall.
Look, it's a heart, Mummy.
I'll have a mixed bouquet,
Mr. Goat said.
Crabgrass, pigweeds, and ragweed in that nice, rusty can. They are for my first love. She's fond of a ragweed salad.
What is a bouquet? Look, the bouquet is a bunch of different flowers. Giving someone a bunch of beautiful flowers is a great way to show them how much you love them. Mr. Goat's bouquet is a bit ugly. Ugh. But for goats, it looks lovely. They love gross bouquets.
She will like the can too,
Miss Nanny Goat told him. Mr. Goat nodded.
Cans are tasty with a sprinkle of salt.
Goats love eating gross things. They like eating their bouquets and even old cans. Don't eat your flowers. It will make you very ill and it will taste horrible. Yuck! He had only gone a few more steps when he smelled a delightful smell. Mr. Pygmy Little Goat had a stall under a tree. He was selling his delicious rotten eggs. He had opened one as a sample. It lay on his counter, black and oozing. Ugh. The sample is on the plate. A sample means you get to try something first. The goats get to smell the egg first before they buy the eggs.
It smells so yummy. Ooh.
The egg looks very gross. Ugh. But the goats love the smell and want to eat the rotten egg. Ugh.
Rotten for 2 years.
He told Mr. Goat.
Guaranteed foul and disgusting.
Mr. Goat drooled.
I'll take 4. 2 for my first love and 2 for me. We always share.
He watched Mr. Pygmy Little Goat arrange them in a red box and tied the box with a pretty red ribbon.
Perfect,
Mr. Goat said.
they are so ripe. I can smell them, even through the shells. My first love and I will share the pretty ribbon for dessert.
The box is a very special shape. Do you know what shape the box is? That's right, it's a heart-shaped box. A box of treats in a heart-shaped box is a great way to show someone how much you love them. He walked on, breathing in the delightful smell of rotten eggs with every step.
Oh, lovely.
Hello, Mr. Goat.
Miss Skunk came by with her perfume cart. There are so many bottles of perfumes on Miss Skunk's cart. There's a yellow bottle, a green bottle, a purple bottle, and a red bottle. She sniffed hopefully.
What is that delicious smell?
She asked.
Rotten eggs?
Mr. Goat said. Miss Skunk smiled.
They smell like me. May I try one?
Oh, sorry.
Mr. Goat wound his front legs around his egg box.
These are for my first love. It's Valentine's Day.
Skunks have a special thing they can do when they are scared. They can spray a very horrible smell, like rotten eggs. So, make sure you don't scare a skunk, or they will spray you and you will smell like rotten eggs. No one will want to be near you. Well, apart from goats. The goats will love your new smell. Miss Skunk cocked her head.
Do you have a Valentine's card for her?
No, I have presents.
Too bad. For Valentine's Day, you need a card.
Miss Skunk sprayed Mr. Goat. Miss Skunk squeezed a pump and outsprays some liquid. This is the perfume. A perfume is for making yourself smell very pretty. But goats like to smell gross, like rotten eggs. Ugh!
This is for you, Mr. Goat. You'll smell nice for her. Nice as your rotten eggs. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you, Miss Skunk.
Mr. Goat sat under a tree and thought hard. Perhaps Miss Skunk was right.
I do not have a card for my first love,
He told himself.
but I will compose a song and serenade her.
It was shady and cool under the tree. He sat thinking, and before long, he had the words of a song. Hooray! He straightened his bird's nest hat and hurried on. Soon he came to the house of his first love.
Oh,
He thought,
I hope she's home. I should have called first.
Mr. Goat burst into song.
When I was a little kid, it didn't matter what I did. If I climbed too high and fell, you'd kiss the hut and make it well. You have loved me from the start. I love you with all my heart.
Goats don't just like ugly bouquets and rotten eggs. They also like bad singing too. The door opened and there she was.
Hello, dear.
I'm not a deer, I'm a goat.
You're so silly. I really like your song. You are truly awful at singing. I love it.
Happy Valentine's Day, Mother.
Mr. Goat gave his mother a bouquet of flowers and the heart-shaped box of rotten egg treats. His first love was his mother, of course. Your mother will always love and look after you. You should show your mother how much you love her too. But maybe don't get an ugly bouquet and rotten eggs. Ugh. Well, unless your mum is a goat. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Make sure your child is reading and spelling accurately with the Fat Cat Phonics program. Make learning phonics easy and fun with the virtual teacher, which allows your child to learn along with me. T, ant. Complete various exercises. Ant. And read unique stories written by myself. Ant and Fat Cat. An ant is in ink. They're designed to be easily read in the early stages of their reading and will build up your child's confidence. Also, make the end of the lesson revision fun with one of the phonics games. Ant. Download some free lessons now at fatcatbooks.uk.